Hi, everyone. Welcome to our ninth edition of the Ecosystem Update. Got some very exciting updates for this month of October, leading into November. Firstly, a bit just to talk through a very high-level agenda, or the partners who will be on stage. We'll have Henry from Lead Wallet, who's talking to us about their wallet services. Lead Wallet is very focused on user-friendly designs, so it'd be really great to see Lead Wallet coming into the ecosystem and integrating an RSK. It's our latest integration of their services, and really looking forward to the evolution of Lead Wallet and their more user-friendly designs in future. Next, for our football fans, Tony, who's not unfamiliar with the RSK ecosystem, definitely one I'm looking forward to speaking about. Watafan, if you have not heard of them before, connects idols and fans through NFTs minted on RSK. Watafan has also hosted a very exciting auction, which showcases the first 4 female football players to earn the treble, which is Liga, the Queen's Cup, and Champions League. So, yeah, really looking forward to that. I'm a big football fan, so excited to hear what Tony has to say there. We then move on to something very exciting, which is Ezekiel from Beexo. El Salvador is a big topic at the moment, given, let's say, fairly recently, maybe a lifetime in crypto terms. But El Salvador has made Bitcoin legal tender. So as we see the evolution of Bitcoin at El Salvador, we're seeing these services also coming to point. And Beexo is offering essentially a wallet service to the Salvadorans. I kept getting confused if it's Salvadorans or Salvadorians, but Google confirmed it's Salvadorans. So yeah, looking forward to how that evolution of Bitcoin has evolved and how RSK is fitting into that ecosystem. Finally, we talk about Labitconf. Again, hosted in El Salvador. You'll see that's the overriding theme from October into November. And again, important milestone for RSK, given it's a Bitcoin sidechain and how we are bringing, like the RSK ecosystem is bringing DeFi to Bitcoin. So yeah, very exciting agenda up ahead. Some housekeeping rules or some housekeeping. We publish all our ecosystem updates on YouTube, and you'll find us under the playlist called RSK Ecosystem Updates. So without further ado, it's great to introduce Henry from Lead Wallet, who will now take the stage and go through the Lead Wallet service.
Hi, thanks, Michael. Thanks for having me. It's awesome to be here at this point in time. Lead Wallet is really happy to have RSK in its as part of one of its partners. Lead Wallet, first of all, it's a decentralized, multifunctional, multi-cryptocurrency wallet that enables users carry out as many transactions, as many nature of transactions as possible within the wallet application, still having custody of their funds as well. So Lead Wallet is currently 1 year old since the team actually started building the wallet, and sometime in 2020 November, the beta version of the application was launched. And that version had up to about 10K user usage, downloads before we had to remove it because the mainnet version came out 3 months ago, which the old users were downloading the old version of the application more than the new version of the application, and it wasn't really helping the app that much. So strictly back to what Lead Wallet is trying to solve. It's trying to solve the poor cryptocurrency management system, trying to make it very easy for users who use this wallet application to be able to see all their assets and pull values from all these individual assets, regardless of what chains they are lying on and what the prices are at the current time. So it makes it easy for you to be able to have an idea of what your portfolio is. Also, the problem of security. Lead Wallet has taken security really seriously in terms that the user is the sole owner and the sole custodial of the funds they have, and there are also second layers of security on top of the wallets that enables the users make sure that they don't lose their wallets even if they lose their device. Also, Lead Wallet is trying to bring use cases into the wallet ecosystem. So it's trying to make it possible for you not to have to send your fund from one place to another just for you to make this type of transaction that's not possible here, or this other kind of transaction that's not possible here. So just giving you the ability to basically have MetaMask or a wallet like that in your Android device. So also, another thing Lead Wallet is trying to solve is the complex UI problem. It's trying to make it easy because Lead Wallet is focused towards mass adoption. And one way that mass adoption can be possible is if the user interface of whichever product is very easy for one to navigate through. So Lead Wallet is doing this. And of course, I mentioned before, it's a custodial wallet. So users can use decentralized applications and also manage their funds without having to fear of losing their private details or their private keys due to one point of failure. Yeah, please, can you go to the next slide? Okay. Yeah, so just before I jump into this one, Lead Wallet, some of the features that are available in Lead Wallet, they include send and receive. Also, they include swap. Currently, Kyber network is integrated in the wallet, so users can swap on Kyber. Although we plan to change it in the coming weeks. Also, within the wallet, users will be able to do multi-send. So multi-send is by sending multiple transactions in one transaction. So you might want to send different assets to, let's say, a list of people for airdrop, or it could be for salary, or a list of people for payment or something, and you want to do it in one transaction. So within the wallet application, that's possible. Also, the wallet has DeFi access, where users will be able to interact with dApps that are integrated into Lead Wallet. They'll be able to interact with these dApps directly from their wallet. So as you can see in this screen, this is how the front page of the wallet looks when you enter the portfolio. First of all, it aggregates the highest tokens you have and puts them on top, while the lower ones come below. And then the user will be able to see the different assets they have. In this view, you can see that the value of the individual assets as they are on the exchange, on the exchanges that they trade. The average value of these different assets show here. Also, the change rates in the last 24 hours also shows. What chain they lie on also shows, and the user balance also shows. And then what's the value of the user balance based on the price, that also shows under each of the single assets. And then directly on the fly, you can try to send and receive. And then, as you can see on top of the application where USD is, it kind of like aggregates the whole price and gives you in a particular currency that user can be able to change. It shows the USD value of BTC, but it's also possible for one to change how they want that to display. In the wallet application for them. Please, also by the right side of the screen, if you see, if assuming I touch TUSD, which is in USDT, with the balance I have, is going to show me the transaction history from this particular wallet. It's also going to show me the wallet address. It's also going to show me an icon that I can use to send this wallet address, assuming I want to request for payment. And on top of it, you also see send and receive. So if I want to send, it's going to take me to the next slide. Okay, so if I'm trying to send, it's going to take me to the place where I'm going to have to put the wallet address of the user that I want to send money to, send cryptocurrency to. If I don't have the wallet on the fly, I can also scan the barcode and get the wallet, which is by the side of that. And also I can put the amount I want to give out. Of course, I can see the balance of the asset I'm trying to send before I do this. And then I can use Max to, if assuming I want to empty my wallet. So, and then of course it shows the gas fee. The average gas fee is the default gas fee. If I want a faster transaction or slower transaction, depending on what I want to do, I can go to the advanced mode and set the parameters for that, and then make the transaction. And also, if I want to receive funds, I could also click on receive, and then the barcode is available for my wallet, the scan code, and also the wallet address is available to share. So please, can we go to the next page? And yeah, also in the wallet, it's also possible to add custom tokens. So by custom tokens, there are some blockchain tokens and crypto tokens that are made on standards. For instance, ERC20 tokens for Ethereum-based tokens, BEP20 tokens for Binance Smart Chain tokens, and this type of tokens. So there are different networks that are integrated currently that are live on the lead wallet application. As you can, if you can see by the side, you see a list there that shows Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Conflux, Celo, and we just recently, early this week, completed the integration of RSK. So it means that all the custom tokens on RSK blockchain can be added by the users. And also in the next updates that we're going to have, we're also going to include ARODOC and RIF on as default tokens, but currently we have Arrow BTC as a default token, as a default cryptocurrency that displays on the wallet by default when you create one. So please, can we go to the next page? Yeah, so the wallet also has a swap feature, enables you to swap on Kyber directly. But this is also actually also being updated to carry multiple exchanges, so that it's going to aggregate and give the best value for whoever wants to perform a swap within the wallet. Also, it has a fiat to crypto gateway that enables one by cryptocurrency directly into the wallet using their cards. So with that said, we have a third party party company that's offering this service, and we integrated their API to make it easy for our users to actually buy crypto into the wallet. And also, the wallet has DeFi access. In this DeFi access, currently we only have three blockchains that have been integrated into it, which include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron. And shortly, we are also going to include RSK and a couple more blockchains that we've recently just introduced into the wallet. Users can be able to trade on whichever DeFi protocol they want to interact with directly from their wallet without having to go to a web browser or go some other place. So please, next. Yeah, so this is just the page that shows the multi-sender feature. In the multi-sender feature, the user would have to select which cryptocurrency they are trying to send, and of course, they should have that cryptocurrency in their wallet balance, and then they can upload they would have to upload a CSV file. A CSV file has a format that has the addresses and the individual amounts that they're supposed to have, and just with the clicking of the send button and once they click the send button and verify the transaction and confirm the transaction, that's going to be sent, and then it's going to return multiple transaction hashes of all the individual sends that were made from just this single call by the user. Also, it's easy to manage wallets and create multiple wallets within the wallet app. And then user can also as well change their security code. It's 2FA, set 2FA in the wallet, and then choose the cryptocurrency preference they want to show as in the aggregator of their portfolio. And then they can also back up their wallet, collect their numeric phrase and also private keys of the individual blockchains that are integrated in the wallet. One can also change the skin of the application. There's a dark mode, and this is currently the light mode. And then, of course, other details about lead wallets are also on the application. So currently, the application, the mainnet application was released about 3 months ago. But as the app is still in its early stage in terms of users that are using it, but we've had about more than 5,000 downloads since the new version was released, and the app is even more stable than it was when it was released, and more users are using the application. We are also thinking of adding, we're also, according to what the roadmap, what is on our roadmap, we also have other features that we've not started working on that we're looking to get going by by the first quarter of next year. So for throughout the period of this year, where the team is focused on making sure that every components that has been integrated into the wallet is working stably and strong and without any breaking points for users. So we're trying to make the app ready for as much users as possible without seeing any problems using the application. So yeah, we are so happy to have RSK as the new blockchain we've integrated. Currently, RSK, you can store, send, receive RSK. You can also add custom tokens on the blockchain. And in the new, it would have gone with the update of today, but some of our developers who are in India, they have holidays today. So the new updates of the application is going to have Reef and Aerodog as default cryptocurrencies on the wallets that user would already have when they sign up. And also shortly, we are also going to include RBTC in the multi-sender so that users will be able to use the send to multiple accounts with that. And also for the DApp browser, that's also going to be another thing we're going to do next when we get to the phase with a handful of projects that are ready to be on that phase. And RBT is also going to be part of it. So thank you. This is Lead Wallet. If you want to download the application, the website is leadwallets.io/app. So when you go there, you'll be able to leadwallet.io/wallet. So when you go there, you'll be able to download based on the mobile device you check it. You are opening this URL with. So as you can see, this is what happens when you change the screen. This is how it looks for the dark mode. So me personally, this is the mode I like. Some people like the white one, so it just depends. Yeah, so thank you, and so nice to have to come to your community and talk about Lead Wallet.
Henry, I just wanted to ask, what are you most excited about? Regardless, let's say we've got the RSK integration, but what are you most excited about for the future of Lead Wallet?
Yeah, so we're going to mass adoption was the primary purpose of Lead Wallet. So if I take you back to how Lead Wallet started from a bunch of guys who used to be moderators for blockchain projects sometime in 2018, and at some point we found out that wallet was the first window that every user would encounter before they actually own a cryptocurrency. They would have to pass through a wallet. And then we wanted to make a product that would make it easier to onboard users into the blockchain space. And we decided to create a simple, decentralized wallet that would first of all allow users manage their funds, and then also give them the use cases that they can use to do all they want in a decentralized way, and also interact with all the familiar and popular DeFi protocols and protocols throughout the space. So it's very important to us that we integrate the different blockchains that our users like, and that the different blockchains that are onboarding people into the blockchain space as well, and different blockchains that are doing so marvelous things and in the space. And then as we do this, we also try to do our best to make it possible for all the users in these individual blockchains to get the best of their blockchains while they use Lead Wallet. So what it means is, for now that we've integrated RSK, we want to make sure that if I only have RSK assets, or I'm someone who's only familiar with RSK, if I have Lead Wallet, I may not ever need to leave Lead Wallet to carry out some type of transaction or do something with the RSK that I have. So this is what we're trying to do, and on the long term, and we believe that this would play a key role in helping for mass adoption, and also supporting other projects that have the same like minds like us.
Fantastic. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, Henry. I think we'll be in a lot more conversations moving into future as well. So thanks for being on, and really excited to see in the future of you and the company.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Next is Footballers' Dreams. We've got Tony from Watafan speaking about a platform as well as the auction. Tony.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, RSK, to give me the opportunity to be here. For those who don't know what Watafan is the first platform in the world to be built on a Bitcoin sidechain. So our idea is to engage fans and idols through this NFT hype around. But the business logic is that we want to protect the copyrights of the artist, introducing in the smart contract the copyright. So the copyrights are distributed directly with a smart contract, and the idol is receiving directly the rewards in their wallet. No, it's a very important concept because other platforms are intermediaries, and we don't want to make this position. No, so I will show very quickly how it works. Let me see if I can. I'm sharing the screen already. No. Okay. So to explain you how easy it is to create an NFT, this is the old platform because we are working in the new platform, but it's not ready yet. So in a few clicks, I can create an NFT. So I can introduce here the title, the description, the number of NFTs that I want to create, for example, one. And I can take here a selfie or select a picture, for example, this one. And that's it. In a few clicks, I make here the review, everything is okay, and send it to my portfolio. So the truth is that this is not already a NFT, it's a draft. So to create this draft, I have to send it to a fan. So I can push here, send directly from the list fan, or make a scanner if I'm in person with him. So I read the QR code of their address and I send from mobile to mobile, or I introduce here the address of the fan. Very, very easy. Also, I can gamify the process by creating a raffle. So if I put here 0 price, so it will be free. But if I set here 1, for example, this is the price for the ticket. Okay. This is the way of gamifying. And every time the NFT is sold in the marketplace for the fund, I will receive my commission here directly in my wallet. So this is the idle side. So we have now also the fan side, which is this one. I can connect my wallet directly here. I can use MetaMask. I can use Liquidity, Defiant, etc. So I will receive here the NFT in my portfolio, and I can enjoy it, or I can put it on sale in the marketplace, as I told you before. Also, the smart contract have another side that goes directly, every commission that goes directly to what we call the solidarity chest, which is this one. And everything that is collected in this chest will go for charities. This is because we have added a new layer of solidarity. A few months ago, UNICEF came into the project. Now it's partnered with us, and we want to create an environment that brings real value to the ecosystem. And in this regards, I want to tell you that in this moment there is a very nice campaign with, as Michael said, the 4 football players that have made history. So this is a great moment to go into this campaign to get some NFTs because this is historic. And of course, all these NFTs are built on RSK. The products, as you can see here, there is the gold version. I will start for silver version. Almost all of them are sold already, but I think you can find something free. For example, this one. And you can buy it. This is a traditional way. This is you don't have to connect here your wallet, okay? But you have to sign up and buy it for 50 euros. So, and you will receive in your wallet directly 4 NFTs, 1 for each player. Okay, this is the silver pack. The gold pack is very interesting because they are doing 1 auction per day. So today have started this action, and you can place your bet here. every 24 hours is starting a new action. This gold pack is coming with 4 NFTs plus 4 physical collectibles, plus a participation of a raffle that you can earn the t-shirts signed for the players, and a personalized video from them. So it's very nice. So that's it. I want you to encourage to participate in this historic moment and to help us to succeed, and also to get the first NFTs on RSK, the first NFTs in the world to be built on top of Bitcoin. Thank you. Also, if you want to connect me, here you can see my data, my Twitter, my email, etc.
Thanks, Tony. And what's been the take up so far in terms of those packages, if you can call it? You've got the silver gold. How's the take up been with users?
Very good, because we have sold already all of the packs, and the actionals are going very good. The first one was sold for 350 euros, and I think it's a good line to start. So I hope that everyone that is hearing us right now can participate on that.
Fantastic. Really great to hear. All the best for the auction and for that. Yeah, it's exciting, especially for all us football fans out there.
Sure. That's it. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Then we have Ezekiel from Beexo, just to talk us through the wallet. I'm very excited to hear about everything that's happening in the El Salvador as a region or as a country. So, Ezekiel, over to you.
Hello, how are you, Michael? Here
Great.
in Argentina. So next Friday I fly into El Salvador talking about. You can listen to me? Yeah.
Yep, no, can hear you. All good.
Okay. So yes, we are very excited for that. As you say, I'm going to present you a little how it's working with another partner. So it's not just me. It's like a collaboration with another companies that they are in the ecosystem. So that is a very exciting news. So if I can, I want to share my screen, Fran. Okay, here. So my name is Ezequiel from Argentina. The important news to share is that before, please download at Beexo.com the app so you can experience the crypto chat. So you are going to earn some RBTC after. So as you know, Beexo is our B2C product, and now we are launching LatamXO. LatamXO is a B2B business model that the company provides white-level solution. For example, we are talking about wallets, so we provide wallet as a service. What does it mean as a service? So it's like a subscription like Netflix, very simple. So we already have some projects with this service running right now. There are 2. So it's very simple what they have with this, all these general product features, white level solutions for wallets, identity as a service, crypto chat, ad server, switch coins, rewards and utility tokens, social media and NFT marketplace. And the most important thing is that all these solutions are running on top of our servers and infra. So we have solutions like gas station, all the full nodes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and RSK. We are running our own nodes, so that is very important to work very well. So the most important thing that Michael said before is that one of the projects is in El Salvador. So I want to introduce you how it's working and what we are doing about it. So one of these projects of Latam XO project is this, the Cope wallet, that there is 38 cooperatives in El Salvador with 600,000 people all together in these 38 cooperatives. And we are going to provide a wallet as a service, and all these features that I told before. So the main thing is that we are very exciting at the same time because we are working together with Crypto Market, that is another company that is in RSK Ecosystem, and together we are going to bring to them the best of the technology of Latam XO and the best service of Crypto Market, that is the on and off ramp from fiat to crypto, and of course all the e-commerce that you can sell products with them. So all together they are going to have an amazing product, and everything is powered by RSK at the same time. Everything is on top of this technology amazing that RSK provide us. So the app is amazing. In just 1 month, we put it in iOS and Android, so you can download right now if you like. And in the next 15 days, the Labitconf is the 15th of this month. We are going to launch all together with the cooperatives this amazing project that is one of the first Latam XO projects. And the other, of course, for example, is NFT market. And there's a lot of projects that we are going to start to build on top of this technology. So I think that you are going to like all the people that they are listening to us right now. We are going to pass to the crypto chat experience. So please download the app. It's very fast, Beexo.com. If you don't want, you can use your own Explorer. You put app.beexo.com and you already have this amazing product that I want to show you. So here is the social network. Here you have the wallet with all the prices. Okay. And the most important thing that all that I already talked about is that the message is the core of all this project, because we must to make very simple to send and receive cryptos or even NFT. So here you have, for example, the crypto chat, and I can say directly, money from here. I send money from here. I decide I have only RBTC. So I decide, I choose how much, one, and we send, okay? So the most important thing is that the chat, because the communication, even the cooperatives decide to make it with us because they have a chat and it's very easy to send, cryptos, because it's not necessary to share the address between the people to make a peer-to-peer transaction. It's very easy with the chat. So everyone, all the people not tech that can use WhatsApp, they can use this technology. It's not necessary to know about blockchain, about crypto so much. Just to know that it's money and you can send and receive for the families and for the friends of the cooperatives. So I started to receive some chats from you guys. So I decided I am using my phone so I can share this, but I am sending some satoshis to the people that I'm talking about. I want to share again information just to everyone have again. So please download the Beexo.com again, accept all the terms and conditions, go to the chat. The step 3 is to find me under the alias Bitcoin. So the step 4, say me hello, and I will give you some RBTC just to experience, how easy it is to send and receive cryptos. So this is the final page. I hope everyone that enjoy this presentation and all the solution that we have to give to everyone, because entrepreneurs or companies could have these tools. That's all. So Michael, if you want, we can start to make some question about it.
Yeah, for sure. Maybe just we will get into the Labitconf conversation shortly. I'll hand over to Fran shortly on that. But just a question maybe for viewers that are not going through to El Salvador. What has been the view of the not going to say El Salvadorans, but the Salvadorans on Bitcoin, and what has been the vibe in terms of using Bitcoin as legal tender?
Yes, before, everyone knows that Salvador say that, okay, we accept Bitcoin right now for this illegal thing. Before that, like the 1% or the 2% of this amazing country, they are using, cryptos. And even these cooperatives, some places, the beach, there is some places on the beach. There's a few places that they are already using Bitcoin on all these technologies. So it's not something new for them. We started to talk with the people from the cooperatives. They are amazing. They are using. We are doing exactly the same thing that I said before, the experience of the crypto chat. They send me message. I am in Argentina. I send crypto for them here. They send me it again. It's very easy, and they are very happy.
Fantastic. Okay, so the average user in El Salvador, do you see basically every person in El Salvador basically using Bitcoin to some extent? Like, do you see that as being like that's where the future is going? That's where everyone is moving to. It will be the end of, let's say, a dollar denominated society and more towards just being Bitcoin.
So imagine that at the beginning, the government is going to give to everyone $30 on Bitcoin. So after that, it's going to be, to be there to give a service, a practical service. And they are very interested in, for example, AirDoc, and a stable coin that we are going to give the RSK stable coin. So they want to immediately, when they receive Bitcoins, they want to go to a stable coin. So at the beginning, we have that. And imagine all the cooperatives, they are working all together. Imagine that there are 38 companies that they are sending between them, money. Most of them, they give, lending, borrow. It's not like most of the cooperatives that, some of them, they are focusing financial solutions. So another ones in technology for kind of things. So I think that it's going to be, it's going to be the clear up this, for them, because it's all decentralized,
Fantastic. Yeah, I think I can't see it just ending with El Salvador. I think as we see, it's almost El Salvador is the alpha case, and we'll see as Salvador evolves, we'll probably see others following suit as well. So I think it's
exactly.
great.
For example, Costa Rica started to think to make the exactly the same that El Salvador. Perhaps not exactly, but more or less, yes.
Fantastic.
But fantastic. Everything is really is like, when you see something that, working with another company in the ecosystem, working with RSK, the cooperatives, they are very happy to do it, so it's very natural and organic, all this. So when something like this happens, it's very happy. And the main thing is that the cooperatives work like, decentralized, because every people that is on these cooperatives, they have their own part of this company. So blockchain is, the best thing for this kind of companies.
Yes, absolutely. No, that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Ezekiel.
Thank you to you, Michael. Thank you to everyone.
And all the best. We'll be seeing you soon in Labitconf.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye. Next is, very aptly moving into Labitconf. where I'll have my colleague Fran also jumping on board just to talk through. We can maybe do it as a bit of a co-host presentation here. So Fran, it'd be great to have you on.
Hi everyone there. Well, I'm here. Well, the idea is just to give you all a small glimpse about what is going to happen in a couple of days from now. Well, Labitconf, which is the largest and the oldest Bitcoin and blockchain conference organized in the whole world, and it's organized by Latin Americans and precisely focusing in what is happening in Latin America. They've decided to make it in El Salvador, since, as we've been mentioning during the ecosystem and on the past ecosystems, Bitcoin has become a legal currency and a legal tender, and we're very excited. We will be there. A lot of people who are collaborating with RSK projects, a lot of fintechs, a lot of innovators, a lot of solutions that are built on top of Bitcoin will be present there. We will be having two booths. One is the RSK booth, in which we'll have an institutional presence, so you can look at us there, and we will have a lot of interactions. And the other one, which is called the DeFi for Bitcoin booth, we'll have the presence of Money on Chain, also from Ezequiel from Beexo, LatamXO, and Copper Wallet. We will have also there Defiant, Tropicus Finance, and Crypto Market and crypto services. And the idea is for you to experience, if you're traveling, you should visit us, because we won't only have prizes and gifts for you, but we will also be having a DeFi passport. We will be delivering that, and we will, making you feel as a part of what's happening around the ecosystem, and which things are being built. You will experience from firsthand what is happening around the ecosystem, not just because of a talk that can be organized, but also because it will be very tangible of what to smartly do with your Bitcoin and your crypto, and how you can, of course, integrate and get nearer to Bitcoin and RSK and RBTC, and using all of our of the tokens. And all and of course, and as I mentioned before, how to smartly, be using your Bitcoin and taking care of your personal finance.
And Fran, what you're most excited about for the event?
I'm very excited about this. Will be like my third Bitconf that I'm going. And this one is the first that will be actually, well, in a country that says, hey, they won't look aside, but they will look forward for it. Not just because of the government, but also because it's a solution that has proven for the people in El Salvador and in many countries, as it's been happening in many countries of Latin America, that this can be a solution for financial inclusion, for including everyone that are outside the banking ecosystem and of the financial world, and don't have the resources, enough resources to get inside a formal economy. And this will be a tool that really will help them develop and grow and fulfill their dreams.
And what's amazing, it's history in the making, right? It's like we're actually seeing that we're part of that history. This will go down in history books. There'll be some textbook written sometime in the future around how Bitcoin's been adopted. And yeah, us as RSK being positioned as a Bitcoin sidechain just shows how uniquely positioned we are and like what that growth opportunity is. So yeah, really looking forward to El Salvador. I'm actually looking forward to the conference, looking forward to meet partners, meet colleagues. So I think it's going to be very, very exciting.
Exactly, it will be like, and it's also not also about Labitconf per se, which is a small conference compared to everything that will be happening over there. There will be a hackathon, there will be some other events. We will also have crypto artists over there. We'll have the people from Bitcoin Beach. We will have people that are fostering everything here, and it's the Bitcoin and Blockchain Week in El Salvador, and probably in Central America. So we're all expecting you there. If not, just you can follow us on our social media, and we'll be transmitting what is happening, and also making probably some live streams. And well, the idea is to get to know each other, to meet you, to see what are you building and how we can help you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Fran.
Great. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Maybe just to add on, one of the things I'll definitely be doing is just getting a coffee to see what it's like paying for a coffee with Bitcoin. We know we talk about the pizza being paid with a Bitcoin. Just looking forward to a good coffee. Yeah, that's essentially doesn't wrap it up yet. We've got one more thing to discuss, which is hiring. So we're on a big hiring spree at the moment. So please, if you've got any talent, if you are talent or you know people of talent, please do reach out to us, join our team. We've got positions in the open finance team as well as some on the technical side as well. So it would be great to have more talent on board as we grow our community and as we grow our ecosystem. Again, RSK bringing Bitcoin, bringing DeFi to Bitcoin is a fantastic positioning of the market, and just seeing how El Salvador goes and future countries start adopting, and future companies also start that move of adopting Bitcoin. It's good. It'll be very exciting to be part of this ecosystem and part of our team. So please do reach out to us. You can reach out to us over Telegram, Slack, over Twitter, directly on our website. We'll be providing all those. There you go. That's all our social media. So please feel free to reach out to us. And yep, that concludes our session. Thank you for joining our ecosystem call. Looking forward to our next one in about a month from now.